Yes, my name is Shagun. I've traveled from Seattle, USA. The first expectation is definitely India winning the game. Second is the match happening, and I think all the fans that have traveled from all over the world are expecting a really great game. We are witnessing the practice session behind us, and we all hope that all our superstars perform well. The last year's World Cup was a disappointment, but we hope to overcome that. Our team has been playing well, and MCG is a ground that favors Indians, so very hopeful for that.
Ma'am, could you tell us about your
Yes,
experience and could you introduce yourself?
I have traveled from India and I'm coming for the first time to watch a live cricket match, and it is India versus Pakistan. So I'm very excited for that, and I have first time seen obviously the Melbourne cricket ground. So hopefully the match happens and I get to experience the live live India versus Pakistan. So
Thank you.
fingers crossed.